Hey everyone, my name is Henry Boulton. I'm one of the co-founders of FocusBand. It's great to be back. Firstly, I'd like to thank our loyal customers and any new customers coming through for the first time. It hasn't been easy to build electronics over the last couple of years during the pandemic. We decided about six months ago to shift our manufacturing from China to Taiwan. There was a couple of reasons for that. Firstly was the global component shortage, and the second one is global battery shortage. It's very hard to get both at the moment. So we made the decision to move across. We can do smaller runs out of Taiwan until the world gets back up to full speed. We found a great new team in Taiwan. Build quality is second to none. Really excited to show you that. So, second part of this video is actually unboxing the new FocusBand out of Taiwan. So I'll see you on the other side. Hey everyone, welcome to the FocusBand unboxing. Super excited to show you the new box. Here it is. It's a beautiful box. It's got a lot of nice weight to it. On the inside the box we have the FocusBand headband and device. We have the mini USB charging cable, the travel case and the quick start guide. All our contact details are up the top right, and then these are all the features of the FocusBand here. So let me unbox that. So I'm just going to get the travel case out. So I might just move this box up here. First up, the beautiful travel case. Yeah, it's really well put together, sturdy. So let me undo that. First thing is we have that getting started guide. So inside there, we have a QR code that you can just scan, or you can go directly to the website, focusband.com/getting started. Then we have the USB cable. So let me just take out the headband. I'll just put the travel case up there. So this is the new FocusBand headband. Yeah, it's beautifully put together. You can see the build quality it's stepped up a gear. First thing you'll notice is that the FocusBand pod has moved to the left-hand side. It was originally in the center at the front there. We moved it to the side because it is a lot more comfortable when it's on the side. The other thing that we've been able to do since we moved the pod to the side is we've been able to make the sensors slightly smaller. And they're slightly risen now, so I don't know if you can see that from top view there, but the sensor, which increases conductivity, actually makes them more comfortable as well. They're slightly spongy. The second benefit of that is, with the pod moving to the side, is we can now shape that, especially on smaller heads. It's given us the ability to curve a lot more to fit the smaller heads. Yeah, so that's been really good. The next bit is the pod. So pod is on the left, just the on-off button there. Yep, you can see when it's running, it will flash green. And then we have the USB charging socket in there when you need to recharge it. Okay, so that is the new FocusBand headband. If you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can reach us at focusband.com and click on the Contact Us page. We will have a few videos coming up over the next couple of weeks. So that is the unboxing of the FocusBand. Looking forward to hearing your feedback. Thank you.